Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this brand new 2022 Heli pneumatic forklift, model number CPYD40KUH, ID number E010283. Now before I get too far, let me mention, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on all of the equipment that we have available. Now, let's talk about this truck. This has an 8,000-pound base capacity and it runs on LP. And you can see there that it has four-way hydraulics. And while we're on this side, I'll show you that it has that handy cup holder as well. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this also has one of my very favorite features, a fork positioner. Now this one currently has 42-inch standard tapered forks, but if you're looking for 48, we can make that happen. Looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Now coming up here to the front, we have lots of lights up there on the top. You can see those combination lights that have the work light as well as our turn signals. And we also have these ultra bright LED headlights. Now coming inside of the cabin, we have even more features, including these dual rear view mirrors. We also have this fully adjustable steering column and the steering wheel knob up on top. Looking at the seat, this is a full suspension seat that is adjustable in terms of incline, forward and backward, and in terms of your suspension. And it has that high visibility safety belt as well. Now back on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that allows your operator to keep his thumb on a horn at all times, even when he's backing up. Now looking back here at the back, we have lots of lights back here, including that yellow magnetic strobe up on the top, which is activated with a switch here in the cabin. We also have those combination lights that include your brake lights, as well as your turn signals. And you'll hear the backup alarm as I show you that backup light. Now, one of my very favorite features of forklifts is a swing down LP tank. It takes all the strain off of your operator's back when they need to switch out the LP tank. Look how easy that is. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Pop that back up into place and swing this back where it belongs. Easy peasy. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. If you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other forklift features that you need to know about.